everyone, my name is Rinaldo Avila. Today I'm going to discuss about how the remote works on TV. TV remote control work in a similar way but using type of light called infrared or IR for short. The remote control has an LED light in it, which flashes really quickly to emit a message which is then picked up by the TV. The remote is called the transmitter and the TV calls the receiver.
Hey Sir Daryl, I'm Angelo de la Cruz Tangnong from Magnetism 5. Now I will do my task to cover the remote control of the towel and see what will happen. As you can see, it's not work.
My name is Junmark Sebendio from Magnetism 5 and today I will be doing our performance task and using a remote I will be covering it with paper. And let's see if it will still work even covering the infrared in the remote. So now I'll be pressing the power button and let's see if it will still work even covering it with paper. As you can see, even covering it with paper, it will still work.
Hello, I'm Yangil Credo from Group 5 Magnetism, and today I will be doing my project. Using a remote, I will try to cover it with foil and let's see if it still works. As you can see, it's not work. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Christian Sabine from Magnetism 5 and today I will show you if a remote still works on plastic. As you can see, it still works.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Andrea Bonsa from Magnetism 5 and I'm going to do my task that foil covering the remote.
So we see, hindi gumana ang TV because of the foil that covering the remote. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Isamari Sirad from Magnetism 5. Today I will show you what will happen if I cover the remote with paper. And let's see. As you can see, it still works.
I'm John Renovich Rail Silape from Group Magnetism 5 and today I will show you what will happen if I cover the remote with plastic and let's see what will happen. Does it still work or not? As you can see, it still works. And now let's see what will happen if we fry buko with lumpia wrappers.